Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, Helicobacter pylori, if you see the characteristic features of Helicobacter pylori. So, in the characteristic features of Helicobacter pylori, it is a spiral shaped gram negative rods. It is a spiral shaped gram negative rods and it is motile with one lopotrichous flagella. So, actually, if we draw, it is a gram negative rod and it is a little spiral shaped gram negative rod and it is mobile with flagella present at one pole called as lopotrichous flagella. Now, it mainly attaches to the human gastric mucosa because of the adherence factors present in the gastric mucosa. So if you see the biochemical reactions, it is positive for many reactions. It is catalase positive, oxidase positive, and also urease positive. It is catalase positive, oxidase positive, and urease positive, and it grows, and it mainly grows at around 37 degrees in microaerophilic conditions. So it grows at 37 degrees in microaerophilic conditions, and the media used for this Helicobacter pylori is scirrhous media or chocolate media is used for the Helicobacter pylori growth.
thank you and thank you for watching.